Welcome back to Craftastic. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't did yet, and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let us begin our today's video. Today's video is BTS Wing. So first of all, you have to take a sheet of any size. Okay, so like I took a waist sheet, and from there I cut out this piece. Okay, so now you have to fold like this way, and at the end you have to stick that last part with glue. Okay, so guys, if you remember, today it is day 8 of 10 days of BTS craft challenge. Okay, so if you haven't seen my day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, then you can check them out. The links are there in the description box. I've created some playlists, so if you haven't seen them, then you can check them out. The links are there in the description box. So guys, now I've completed sticking that. So now I will see the size, how much I need to stick and all in my ring finger. Okay, you can also see like that only. So yeah, I have completed checking the measurements and all. So now guys, before sticking, I will just draw the logo of BTS with the help of my pen, blue pen. Okay, you can also use a black pen, color pen. Until I always tell this, okay, right? So yeah, you can use those also, because whatever you have in your house available, you can use that only for drawing the BTS logo, right? So yeah guys, you could see I have completed doing that. Okay, yeah, so now I have to take glue in the parts in which I need to stick. So once again, I'm seeing that is the side in size right now. I'm seeing that only. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also press the bell icon if you haven't did yet, and also share this video with your friends and families, and comment me for your challenges, suggestions, or anything about this video. Okay, so I have gave glue and I sticked it. Also, I'm sticking it half. Okay, half I'm giving glue and then I'm sticking. Okay, so yeah, and guys, you can see it's ready. I have wore it also. It's looking so beautiful. Just love it, guys. You know. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your help and support. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you haven't seen these videos, then you can just check them out. Bye.